meghalayapost.news.
Da kejingshim kia UMLE bat kinoilam kalong shisha kejingkimen bat kejingkerku yakipai ba Mawhati Constituency. Hagba mentasi Menteri Rambak Kejela Meghalaya Kular basyan unpen banano ban a ya kejingdawa banbo ya ka C&Rd blok Mawhati. Kani kejingkular Menteri Rambak ban pen banano halor ketai ka C&Rd blok kade hadian ba menta kesengi na kaliang UMLE ka Mawhati ba Charles Marngar lembat kibai kinoilam kilalet banyak kundu kerpang yu Menteri Rambak Kejela ukan rat ke sama hakayeng sa jungu hanung ba shilong. Kemban la penpau do MLA ke Mawhati ba Charles ulai thu ba kimat bokongsan bala pensengau syu Menteri Rambak Kejela ukan rat ke sama hakani kejing kendu ki kentup nadu kejing dawa ban penulong ya ka C&Rd blok Mawhati ka Surok Intermediate Road na Sunidan sya Umsiang ban kentiu kerdan ya ka Maurong bat Sunidan Sub Center sya ka PHC bat kiwei ki Surok badang sa teng apo ka Mawhati Constituency na kaliang MLA ke Mawhati ba Charles hadian kejing kendu ulai ku blai kerpang yu Menteri Rambak kamtam kejing kular ban penbenano action ban a ya ka C&Rd blok Mawhati palamang bisa nak benta ke Surok na Sunidan sya Umsiang bat kentup ru kiwei ki Kam Pynroi kum ki school hakapot blok 2
Wan kenduk jongi ya Chief Minister Konrad Sangna agalik step agalian jonga kum MLA jonga Mawhati Constituency ringkat ba kinong yalam jonga constituency Kular Iwan hangni idan katuk netligi demand nak benda ke development constituency kawai ka demand ke ba keladai kawai ka long pending demand hakaba nakaliang ke jonga kor bangalong MDC haka sautrik jong banai agos jong senem aracha apwe kelade panuan mani tu ya minister pada pe ya ke C&Rd ku ko dong long iba hamlet dorlik lengkap kisenjuk kirang basno jong ke Mawhati area jong ke Sunidan area bat kiwei dan tadi kederu kediman hakaba kaptuk netligi NGO ru konsumsi ke jonga kila dimani kan ni mau ke HOIC la diman kilawan sangaru bat arsnem mensua nakaliang ke FKJGP ru kilawan ban diman ya kan ke C&Rd blok omtang hak sorgan re kilawan ban kendo yang ada takale bat kawai ke bakam ke banga ngahap ban nyokor kadi ke diman kejing kwa kejing angnut jong dipat ba jong ke constituency bandan la ke jong Community and Rural Development lane ke C&Rd blok Mawhati. Ke kejing wan kendu jongi mendakasi kadai ke demand lor kene. Ingin dokumen hadu kata ba nakaliang jong Chief Minister Kular ke. Sanction hero ye kene ikut ke office work kilaya menta sanction di kene itu ini ba shen yen sapan banano ia kene ke C&Rd blok. Tingi penpau kejing dokumen ke crowd nak benda kejing ailap tu jong open ikundu bangi hak bede ke C&Rd blok yang tadi kawai pak ke bawah ku aban penpau hak bede ke C&Rd blok ki kijing mentoi ki bangi ngiyo la dangiyo ke C&Rd blok kijing mentoi ke bangi ngiyo la dangiyo ke C&Rd blok ade ban pensuk ki pai ba nama pi balai ngong tam nado na siang kumba arpo tam telegisno ki hapan wan seduk sning kejing jengai ke distance ke berapa kilometer orang bak senong teng-teng berpeli kebai kali mudah uhaban mana seduk sning ban reserve ke kali nang tade ki pension teman ki skim yang betul nang ta ki skim hak bai dai bak ki skim kam sis pas ni bak kiwai ki jenang kam nama pi ka C&Rd blok ni kedai ke bedil man la kesengi bat ki pajak tikane kelak bu jing ya sisa balada kerana ke urlong sisa kumbang lai keren mendak kesengi bat ngabar tinru bandong ba kala urlong hi kan urlong hi na kejingkren kejong Chief Minister kan long sisa kejingkerku ya ke constituency hi barok kawai kata kadai kawai mat ke baar pi ngi la habang ilawan ban kendo ngila bu ro sa kawai mat berkata kalong ha ke baidai bat usurok intermediate lane ubadangsa na Sunidan syadu syah umsian haka bai dai baduniro so kaman bana kaliang kejong Chief Minister blok positif ban jubab igene bangi mata tini RUM kum balong kejing keren hak ni sini imat ngin nom slam ban yo no sro nasuni dan syadu usian kabanang sa kumasau ko kilometer kawai ru kamat ke balai ke bangi ngiwan hang ni kalong banyu tu ya ki babun ba ki surok jike akalet kawan ko konstruksi namla banjir angni baik ke maurong ro tadi ko wai no surok bala tak pelat ya kalet kawan ba gila ada banyu lumro ya ki rang ba snong jong ke maurong ro nak ke benta ba penyo no ilus Deng ini tu ipi hawa uladon hakalis jong ke PMJSY phase 3 kat new kilometer nang tade usurok pamlatar nadu ke por ke pa ilong MLA ba jacket pam hadu mentangin pa dia pra kilometer nang tade usurok napo umlaper selemput kat 3 kilometer nang takoi ke patmai ke padon hakalis jong ke PMJSY phase 3 ke badai namaulas nai sha do ati arpo kilometer kini kita gimat kiba naptau surok bat kiwi lo surok kibalong internal road bat kiwi kiba connect na gawai kisnong shakawai kisnong kini kita gibang iwan mani keramadan singi kapapun PUE batang shen kadang suwan ng tina po blok 2 na kita kisnong umlaper umat tengkelay umsder kumtataten igawai kiba susi kalong hado unta idang don kisnong kibang patong de nasukuman hado patay gijong tendo yuching nesta ka tentang sini bana kaliang gajong ula ai ka assurance ula ai hakmat omtang jonga hakmat kilidan ki jonga na po consultancy but immediately unsa shim iki steps panle no ye kini schools popli ki ba mat iki jigya ki ba don kisnong ki bom padon school ki balong ki bangala banong school less village ki bom padon school ki don kisnong ki padon school building kimba kani kadi ko way kamat ka bang ora kanya de session na kalian jonga pagpabo jong aku play YouTube stable ai por yang apa ki nang yalam jongi na po consultancy at nagajingkerman ki baskam bakine baro kin ulong kumba na kalian YouTube style ula next
Ready, sir.
Today, a delegation from Mawhati Constituency has met me, which was headed by the local MLA from Mawhati, Charles Malanga, and many leaders from Mawhati Constituency. And they had shared with me the different needs of Mawhati Constituency, explaining to me that how currently the constituency is divided into two different blocks which are quite far away, one in Bhoirambong area and one is in Umsning, and in some areas people have to even travel over 80 kilometers to reach the block headquarters, which is very difficult and challenging for the people and also for the government to be able to provide proper service to the grassroots people. So on basis of that, the Honorable MLA Charles and his leaders have requested if a new C&Rd block can be constructed in or can be sanctioned for Mawhati area, and this proposal was put in. I'm happy to inform you as well as the people of Mawhati constituency that in principle I have accepted that proposal, and we are going to start the process of a sanction for a new C&Rd block in Mawhati so that the people can get better service and access to the different schemes of the government through this new Mawhati C&Rd block. At the same time, there was a request for the Sonidan to Umsiang road, which is again a very important connectivity for the people. On this front also, I have given assurance that there is the new package of the World Bank is coming up. In that package, I have assured the people of Mawhati area that this particular road under the new World Bank sanction will be taken up. Already it is in the list, in fact, and the DPR is being prepared. At the same time, there are certain areas where there are schools that are required, especially areas which are school-less right now, and those village names were given, about 7 or 8 of them. I have assured the delegation that through my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will be sanctioning a certain amount so that these school buildings can be constructed. So it was a very positive meeting. I have seen that Mawhati constituency has been neglected a lot. There's not enough development in the past, and therefore a lot needs to be done. And I'm sure now with the active role that the local MLA is playing, we will be able to see much more development coming into the constituency of Mawhati. Thank you very much.
meghalayapost.news